Hi there, thank you for visiting the repairs and service page. If you are in Maple Ridge and you are looking for service on your heating, cooling or hot water equipment, or just annual maintenance, then you have come to the right place. So if you have a broken piece of equipment that either heats, cools or provides hot water for your home, then we can help with that. If you are just looking for your annual maintenance, so all manufacturers recommend annual maintenance on their heating, cooling or hot water appliances. So if you are looking to get your annual maintenance, then we provide that service as well. You can call us on the number at the bottom of the page, you can email us, or you can connect with us on our online chat feature, which you'll find at the bottom of this page, and we very much look forward to hearing from you.